Hello everyone. Today I'll teach you a method known as foci and vertex method, and this method you will be using to draw pair of hyperbola. Okay? Pair means obviously there will be two hyperbolas. Okay? Now let us see an example. Distance between two fixed points f1 and f2 is 80 mm. Fixed point means these are the focus point. Okay? Point P moves in such a way that the difference between its distance from f1 and f2 is always constant and it is equal to 50 mm. Trace the curve by the point P. Also draw tangent and normal at a point on hyperbola. Okay, fine. So you have been given a distance between two fixed point 80 mm. ओके और एक पॉइंट P है वो ऐसे मूव कर रहा है सच ए वे दैट कि उसका डिस्टेंस हमेशा F1 एंड F2 द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ओके उसका मतलब उसका जो डिफरेंस रहेगा F1 एंड F2 वो हमेशा कांस्टेंट रहेगा और 50 mm रहेगा. ओके if you are still feeling confusion, I'll explain you once the diagram will be finished. Okay, now what you have to do with the procedure is, first you locate f1 and f2. Okay, so my f1 and f2 are at a distance of 80 mm. So draw a line of 80 mm. Okay, or I'll draw it little center. So this is my f1 and this is my f2. Both are 80 mm apart. Now point P is such a way that its difference between its distance from f1 and f2 is always constant and it is equal to 50 mm. What you have to do is, first find the midpoint of f1 and f2. Obviously it will be at 40 mm. Say I will name it as O. Okay, now locate two points, okay, which are 25 mm apart from O. So 25 mm this side and 25 mm this side. Okay, is that clear? I'll give the name A and B. Okay, why I am doing this I'll explain you later. Okay, now what you have to do is extend this line beyond f1 and beyond f2. Clear? Now after f1 take 3 points, say for example 10 mm apart. 10 mm की दूरी पे 3 पॉइंट ले लो. Similarly on f2 also. Okay, give the name 1, 2, 3, 3 dash, 2 dash and 1 dash. Okay, now the next step will be similar to the method what we have learned for ellipse, that is the arc of a circle method. Okay, what we used to do, measure A3, measure A3, f1 as a center, draw circle, almost semicircle above and below. Then A2 as your radius, f1 as a center, again draw arcs above and below. Similarly A1 as your radius, f1 as a center, draw arc above and below. Clear? Now intersection for these arcs will be coming from what? From the other end, that is V3 and f2 as a center. Cut the arc on the innermost. Why innermost? Because आपने ये अंदर वाले आर्क ड्रॉ करने के लिए आपने रेडियस लिया A3, तो इसका इंटरसेक्शन क्या होगा, B3 वाला आर्क, बट सेंटर चेंज हो जाएगा, F1 से F2 हो जाएगा. ओके, सिमिलरली बी इन बिटवीन वाले जो आर्क है ये दो, इसका रेडियस क्या था A2, सेंटर क्या था F1, इसका इंटरसेक्शन क्या हो जाएगा, B2 एज योर रेडियस एंड F2 एज योर सेंटर. सो आई विल टेक B2 as my radius, F2 as my center. I'll cut arc above and below. Similarly, B1 as my radius, F2 as my center, cut the arc above, cut the arc below. Clear? Follow the same procedure on the other end also. Okay, so how I'll start, B3 dash as my radius, F2 as a center, arc below and arc above. Then B2 dash as my radius, F2 as my center, arc below and arc above. Then B1 dash as my radius, F2 as my center, arc above and arc below. Clear? Now intersections arcs will be from A. So A3 dash, okay, A3 dash as your radius, F1 as a center, cut the arc on innermost, because for innermost the arc radius was B3 dash, B3 dash. इसका इंटरसेक्शन क्या होगा, A3 dash, सेंटर क्या हो जाएगा F1. ओके, सिमिलरली A2 dash, F1 as a center, cut arc above and below. Then A1 dash, F1, arc above, arc below. Okay, so now you have to draw the curve that is going to pass through all these intersection arc, and it passes through A and it goes down like this. Similarly, from B like this. Now you try to understand. Distance between the two fixed point F1 and F2, 80 mm. Point P, you take any point on the curve, okay, say here. So the difference between its distance from F1 and F2 is always constant and it is equal to 50 mm. Okay. Now there is one more part. Draw tangent and normal at any point on the hyperbola. Say for example, at point P I want to draw my normal and tangent. So the procedure will be similar to the arc of a circle method for ellipse. What we used to do, join P with F1 and F2. Okay, फिर हम क्या करते थे, एंगल F1 P F2 को बाइसेक्ट करते थे. Do the same. Bisect the angle. Okay. Now simply draw the angle bisector. What you will get? You will get tangent. Arc of a circle method में आपको मिलता है normal. Okay, and then 90 degree to this point you will get your normal. This is your T, T dash, N, dash. Arc of a circle method में angle bisector will give you normal pair of hyperbola, it will give you tangent. That is the main difference. Okay, remember that. Now what is left? Our dimensioning is left. So do the dimensioning. This is your 80 mm. This is your 50 mm. And give the title pair of hyperbola. Okay, clear? Thank you.